There's one thing that the music industry don't want you to know, that I don't think y'all heard the popular song called Jump. Okay? Crisscross. Man, y'all already fucking know Jermaine Dupri did not. I would say this again. Jermaine Dupri, your bitch ass nigga, did not. No, he did not produce that song called Jump. My daddy did. My dad did. And you telling me that Jermaine Dupri did? Bro, I think I should fuck up everybody, bro. Expose every motherfucker in that music industry. Literally. So, if I was you, Jermaine Dupri, you better reconsider what